Today I'm going to be reviewing this Vimose ring light overhead phone mount. I'd like to thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so let me go ahead and take everything out of the box. I'm going to show you everything that is included inside of the box here. So in the box, you will get your manual. So this is going to go ahead and walk you step by step on the product that you're receiving, how to set it up, and all the features of your ring light. So in the ring light itself, it does have three different color options. So for your ring light, you do get warm, natural, and cold lighting. So the ring light adapter here, it is a USB. Then right here, you do get your control panel. So just go ahead and give you a closer look on that control panel. This is where you go ahead and adjust it. You'll turn it on and switch the modes. You could go ahead and dim the light or brighten the light. Now this right here is the little clamp. This is going to be the one that's going to go mounted wherever you're going to be putting your ring light onto, and it does unscrew. So you do want to go ahead and unscrew this. And once you get it set to the table or to the edge of where you're going to go ahead and mount your ring light, then you do want to go ahead and twist this on to go ahead and secure the ring light. Now this is going to be your phone holder. Take a look. And it does expand to make sure to fit your phone. And you can adjust this to make sure that you move it into place. So this is actually what's going to go inside of your ring light here. Take a look, it slides right in, and then just screw that into place. So this ring light does come with a Bluetooth shutter. As you can see, you can go ahead and attach this and use it with your phone via Bluetooth to go ahead and help you take pictures. This is going to be the pole. This is going to be basically the stand for your ring light. As you can see, it is adjustable. This is a telescopic pole, and it also has an adjustable height, so you are able to make it higher or lower to adjust the ring light. You can see it's a telescopic pole. You could go ahead and pull it and bend it to adjust the ring light accordingly. You can see we have the smaller side and the thicker side. This is going to be the bottom, and this is going to be your base. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and screw that bottom piece onto this. And then the top piece right here, you want to go ahead and place your ring light on here. Just like that, the ring light is attached to the pole. Super easy to put together. Now you will need to go ahead and connect this to a lighting source so you go ahead and power it on. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're going to take a look and see the different colors on the ring light. Okay, so I have one right here. You'll need one like this that you could go ahead and plug into with the USB. Now let's go ahead and get this plugged into the wall. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on our ring light. All right, so remember we do have this control panel right here. So you could go ahead and power it on. Take a look. It is super easy to control. Just want to go ahead and plug that on. And now you do hit the little M for mode, and it'll change the color of your ring light. As you can see, I'm currently doing that right now, and it is changing the color of the ring light. Now, if you press the up, it'll go ahead and brighten it. And if you press the down, it'll go ahead and dim that light, just like that. I'm currently screwing on the ring light to a table. So as you can see, I've attached it. And the cool thing about the ring light is you could actually use it like if you're doing cooking videos, you could film yourself if you're creating content, just like this. And I do like that it has that phone holder. So you have your phone holder along with the ring light already attached to it. I'm going to go ahead and show you the brightness of this ring light. I'm going to go ahead and turn off mine so you could see the difference. So this is a natural lighting in the room, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ring light just so you could see the difference and how bright this ring light actually is. And I'm going to go ahead and switch out the modes just so you could see the different modes and what they look like. As you could see, the ring light immediately turned on. This is the first mode. I'm going to go ahead and switch the mode. The great thing is that you have access at your fingertips to go ahead and dim, change the mode. This is perfect if you're a beginner or if you're wanting something more stable, something that you could use maybe at your desk. You could actually even use this for work if you are taking any Zoom calls, any virtual calls, if you're creating content, if you're creating cooking videos, anything like that. The great thing is that this is able to fold, and you could actually even take it on the go with you. So it's super lightweight, super easy to assemble, super easy to put together. So if you've been on the lookout for a new ring light, that you could mount to a desk or any place that you could clamp this onto, then I would definitely recommend you check this one out. I will also leave the link down below so you could take a look at it. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.